Hey guys, well, my last video, I was shooting, I had a selfie stick I made on my drone, and I broke the selfie stick. So I was in Home Depot looking at all the selfie sticks, and they're too big and they suck. So I have to make one for my drone. I found some nice rods here at Home Depot. This one here is a reflector light, and it seems like it's pretty good. I don't know if this is metal. I think it's metal. It's carbon fiber. Now this is a long one, man. I could really I don't know if I could fly this one. That's pretty long. I could make it shorter. Now this one seems to be the perfect size. And pretty strong. Then I've got this one here. Now this here looks really good. This one here seems really flimsy though. I'm thinking this is probably gonna be my best bet. Could get this one here and cut it in half. Then I'd have two. So I'm gonna get all three and test them, and then I'll see from there. This one here seems like the cheapest deal and it's too flimsy. I'm not gonna get this one. I'll put it back. But I've got an airplane rod, a carbon fiber airplane rod. I was thinking about using, if you guys have some selfie sticks that are light and long, that are bendable, leave your comments down below. Thanks.